Hi everyone, in this really short, straight to the point tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this white chocolate edible silk. So it's a fabric for your cakes. It is completely homemade, just using a few basic ingredients, and it would be perfect for drapes and swags that you plan to place on any sort of cake. As always, everything you need to know step by step. Let's make a start. Start by measuring out exactly 70 ml of water. I use some electric scales to help get this more accurate. Taking some powdered gelatin, you will need a couple of packets of these. Turn your weighing scales to grams and weigh out exactly 20 grams. Sprinkle this evenly over your bowl of water and leave this to one side whilst we prepare the rest of the ingredients. You will need some white chocolate, weigh out exactly 20 grams. I place this in a small plastic bowl so I can melt it in the microwave later. In a separate bowl, you now want to measure out 1 level teaspoon of glycerin, also known as glycerol. This is 5 ml. Now, you do not have to make yours white. If you do, you're going to need some titanium dioxide, exactly 1 teaspoon. However, most recently, titanium dioxide has been banned from the EU. It's still allowed to be used in the UK and many other countries around the world. However, if you are based in the EU, you would need to find an alternative if you're wanting to make a white fabric. So this is what you should have prepared. We have our bowl of gelatin and water, our chocolate, our glycerin, our titanium dioxide, and exactly 1 tablespoon of water, which I'm going to mix into that last minute. The next job is to heat this bowl of gelatin and water gently over the stove, and at the same time melt your chocolate in the microwave. Start by adding the melted chocolate. Now, I simply melted this gelatin and water mixture over a hot saucepan of water. Then add the glycerin, and once you have added this, give it a good stir just to make sure it's all well incorporated. Then we need to move on to making this white. Remember, you can use any food colouring you choose to. If you do want it white, you need to add 1 tablespoon of water to the teaspoon of titanium dioxide that we measured out a little earlier on. Once this mixture is ready, you can see how much of a whitener it actually is. Simply add this to your gelatin mixture and keep on stirring. This is our edible chocolate silk. Okay, so I'm using the back of a cake lace mat. If you don't have any cake lace mats, baking paper will work just fine. Once your mixture has cooled down slightly, start placing this on the mat. It will kind of work its way down. I didn't need to spread it, but it does actually set pretty fast. I do think I made mine a little bit too thick. It would have been even nicer if it was very, very thin, and you could make this thinner. 5-10 minutes to set, if that. It really doesn't take long at all. It's not like you're waiting ages like some of the other edible fabrics. The texture, how can I describe it? It's very jelly-like. Now I'm going to show you how I made it more silky, because right now we just have a white fabric. But if you just want to keep it like this and just make it in different colours, it's as simple and easy as that. And as mentioned, excellent for draping down the sides of your cakes. So this has only been left for about 10 minutes. Now I do break it slightly. You could cut it into a very neat rectangle first. Simply pull it away from either your baking paper or a silicone mat. And then, just to give it that silk-like effect, if you just use a pearl luster dust and a really large brush and simply brush over your edible silk, it gives it that beautiful effect and that perfect finish. It really is as simple and as easy as that to make your own homemade edible fabric. Happy baking, everyone. I really do hope I've helped you again today, and I'll be back soon with an awful lot more new, completely free content.